Another week in the trial of the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, who is present in court for the day's proceeding. He rubs mind with his legal team before the commencement of the trial. At the resumed hearing, the third prosecution witness, an operative of the Department of State Services, during the trial within trial, dismissed claims that the department used threats of solitary confinement to extract statements from the defendants. Mr. Kanu had claimed that one Mr. Brown, a DSS operative, made a threat about solitary confinement. But the witness clarified that the names of the officers who took part in the interview are James, Ibrahim, and Collins, with no Mr. Brown among them. The witness maintains that the defendant was given preferential treatment and expressed shock at the allegations of using force to get him to make certain statements, including calling former President Goodluck Jonathan and former President Muhammadu Buhari unprintable names. According to the witness, the statements were allegedly made when he granted an interview with a US-based online medium, and it was during the same interview that the defendants used the term zoo to refer to Nigeria. The contentious items were 3 written statements made at the DSS headquarters by Kanu on October 23rd, 24th, and November 4th, 2015. The statements, along with video recordings of his oral statements on October 21st and 23rd, 2015, were also tendered. At this point, Justice James Omotosho ordered the conduct of trial within trial to clear the air on the admissibility or otherwise on the statements the defendant claims were gotten under duress. In the 3 footages played in court by the prosecution to prove that Nnamdi Kanu made his statements voluntarily, Mr. Kanu admitted being the founder and director of Radio Biafra. At some points during the trial within trial, Nnamdi Kanu took the witness stand to give evidence in his case. In his testimony, he claimed that he was denied access to his lawyers and struck by a DSS operative when he was picked up in Lagos in 2015. But the same operative later apologized on their way to the airport en route Abuja. Meanwhile, Justice James Omotosho has adjourned the matter till May 29th for the continuation of hearing and to deliver a ruling on the admissibility of the statements. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.